Swish and flick. Hey guys, it's Will from Not an Expert again. In today's video, the first thing we're going to do is go over some of the Christmas presents that I've made so far. Only the ones that I know people have already seen them, like I've already given them to someone, or they're never going to see this video, at least until after Christmas. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was, in the last video, I said that I would show you guys the Deathly Hallows that I made Emily, and it was done. I just completely forgot to add it into the video. And then the second thing, I'm going to show you guys the other banana holder that I made for a relative, because they seemed to like it a lot when they came over. They thought I was on to something, but I told them I didn't make 3D model. It was from Thingiverse. And but anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Let me grab the Deathly Hallows. Okay. All right. Now this was for Emily. She loves Harry Potter. Hope you guys can see that real well. There it is. I think it turned out awesome. Awesome. I was actually really happy with this, and again, it's I used PETG to print it, but other than that, I think it's an awesome piece. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it, like sand it down a little bit better, prime it, paint it, do all that good stuff. I might paint it black, but we'll see. Anyway, I think it turned out. This is one of the coolest things. I think it's just because of the geometry of it. Whoever designed this, which I credited last time, the video where I went over the Christmas presents, they did an awesome job. And then let me get the banana holder. Here is the banana holder. Pretty big, I mean, compared to my head, so it turned out good. I'm pretty proud of that. As for the other gifts, I can't really show you guys because some of them are for you, and I'm speaking to family members and friends, but I just don't want to ruin the surprise. So for this week's video, we're going to do something a little different because I'm using my printer to make some more gifts for friends and family. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do a wood carving / burning, and I think you guys will enjoy that. It's going to be similar to the Mandalorian one that I had made before, but I think what we're going to do this time is kind of carve a figure, actually, instead of just a portrait. So we'll see how this goes. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in a bit.
Beautiful, lovable, kiss, it just isn't done that well. The son of the queen, the left hand. Could you are going yes, those poor people. Well, now we can could you are going yeah, I guess so. And down, that's me too. And down, the left hand. Isn't me? And down, the left hand. Oh, that's me too. And down, the left hand. Isn't me?
All right, I'm back and wearing safety glasses because I wanted to emphasize how much I needed them after doing that. So when I said I was going to do a wood carving, I had no idea what I was going to do this week. I had recorded a bunch of video of me going into the woods and finding a log of some sort, but then after starting the log, I realized how hard it would be to, well, it wasn't really a log. It was just like a piece of a stump, like about this big. And after starting with the Dremel, I was like, I have no idea what I want to do with this. And then as I started, carving, I'd be like, oh, it'd be cool to carve out a piece of, like a longer piece of wood and turn it into a wand. But it didn't work out that well. And then I was like, I was thinking about all of the pallets that I had taken apart from work, and I have a bunch of scrap wood, and that includes pieces that are like splintered from the actual planks, and it turned out to be perfect for what I wanted to do for my fiance Emily. So I made a wand. And this is how it turned out. I carved our wedding date into there. And it's kind of subtle. I mean, you can see it, but I wanted it to be different. It still feels comfortable. It's an actual wood wand instead of a 3D printed plastic one. Because I feel like that I could have made it look similar, I guess. But and I know you can print with 3D like a wood PLA mixture or composite, I think it is. But anyway, it's just not the same. I have a Dremel. I kind of wish I had a lathe, so I could put some, like a mini lathe or something, so I could put pieces like this into it and carve out like perfect, wands. But this is nice because it has more of a natural feel to it. So I stained it with some withered gray wood stain, and I used some of my gun polish because I noticed when I was restoring one of my old guns, when I used the polish on the wood, it actually made it darker and just restored looking. So I wanted to see how it would do underneath it, and it made it darker, but the gray makes it look really cool. I think it makes it look like some kind of different wood that you don't really find on Earth, I guess. I don't know. So that's this week's video. I've been trying to come up with ideas and a bunch of different things that I could do for every week, but for this week in particular, because of the holidays, I've been printing a bunch of presents. I have a list here of family members and some friends that I was 3D printing for the presents for Christmas. So the printer's been bogged down. Actually, it's going right now, and it's been going almost non-stop since like a week ago. So anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure to let me know what you thought of the project, or if you saw me doing something that is not the right way to do it. Like with the Dremel, I know I could have probably carved this a lot easier with something else, or sanded it down better, or even finished it better with like the wood finish, the stain. Just let me know in the comments, because as you can tell by the logo here, right there, and because of the channel name, I'm not an expert at any of this stuff. I'm just kind of trying it as a person that is just getting into it, and hopefully that inspires a lot of you guys to start your own, DIY projects and things. Even though you don't entirely know what you're doing, the internet's a great resource, and sometimes you can just make it up as you go. So Again, thanks for tuning in, guys, this week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have yourself a happy holidays.